Hello, myself Praveen Thorat. Today's date is 5th of August 2024. My today's core Java topic is Object Lifecycle in Java. Based on idea of object-oriented programming or Java is a flexible and popular programming language. Everything in Java is an object, and objects go through many stages in their lifetime. In order to ensure proper resource management and program functioning, Java developers need to be aware of object lifecycle. Uh, Object lifecycle in Java in depth, going to over each stage with first of all creation or instantiation of object. Then in creation of object, the first stage of object lifecycle is called generation or instantiation. Objects are instances of classes that serve as objects building pieces. To create an object in Java, use the class constructor following a new keyword means object creation.java. Uh, next is a instance of my class is produced by the new my class command and reference to freshly formed object in my object. Then second one is initialization. After an object is formed, it has to be initialized. It means that its initial state or values needs to be established. Constructors and setter methods are typically utilized for this. Then third one is uses. An object can be used with a variety of purposes after it has been created or initialized. An object interacts with the other things and its surrounding throughout this active stage of life cycle. Then next one is a reference and dereference variables related to objects during the use phase. An object can may be eligible for garbage collection and also used for heap by setting its variable to null after it's no longer needed. When an object is set to null, it indicates that it has a no longer reference, and the Java garbage collector may be able to reclaim the memory it was consuming. Then next one is uh, garbage collection. Garbage collection is automated memory management mechanism in Java. The garbage collector finds and deletes object from memory that can no longer be reached or reference. Then next one is in object lifecycle finalization. The finalize method in Java enables an object to carry out cleaning tasks prior to being picked up by garbage collection. It's important to remember so that using finalize is not recommended. Instead, try with the resources of the autoclosable interface are preferable resource management techniques. Next one is uh, in object lifecycle. It's important to comprehend the Java object lifecycle in order to write reliable and effective programs. Developers may ensure seamless application execution and resource management by understanding the different stages an object goes through the whole object lifecycle. That includes instantiation, initialization, uses, reference, dereference, and trash collection means garbage collections. Controls how objects behave in Java programs. And then in object lifecycle there are so many techniques there. For example, print or print in many techniques available. Popular object oriented programming language for delivering data console. Two methods that are frequently used for that are print and print in. Even while might look the same, there are few subtle variation that could change how your output is shown. We will print method display text on console without shifting the cursor to next line. It just print the text while keeping the pointer on a same line. Then is a syntax of a print method. Print ln represents print line. This function inserts a new line character after printing the text, making it comparable to print function. The pointer is advanced to beginning of the next line. There is a there is a syntax system dot out dot println. Thank you so much.